Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone! Santa Claus here from ITS. Don't worry, it's really just Dan with a lot of hair on my face. And welcome, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at this Wera Advent Calendar for 2022. Now, we've already fallen over. With these Wera Advent Calendars, they do them every year. It's become a bit of a seasonal favourite. And for anyone that's looking to try out Wera for the very first time, this is a perfect way to do so. Of course, over your Advent, 24 days leading up to Christmas. You've got on the back of the box, you've got all the different designs, but there's an outer box as well. And on the back of this, you're getting all the info on what you're going to find inside this lovely little selection. You've got your screwdriver bits, you've got your Joker wrenches there, and then you've got your craft form handle screwdriver with all the bits in the lid. You've also got a craft form bottle opener. Now, we've had Nathan in before to tell us about how craft form works, and we know a lot of customers that absolutely swear by it. They love the stuff, and if you've got a mate, if you're a user of craft form and you've got a mate and you want them to try it out, then maybe this is a perfect pre-Christmas gift, because you can open a little door every day, and every single day you'll get a brand new Wera product to try out. So check this out over at its.co.uk. A perfect way to spend your Advent.